guys, it's Jamie with Not Too Shabby, and today is the last day of sneak peeks before our big release tomorrow. If you want to see the other products that we'll be releasing, go back to the other two videos that I shared during the sneak peeks. We have beautiful products. I'm calling it the yummy release because everything is super yummy. We have strawberries, peaches, and today we have chocolate. So stick around while I share the Stamp and Die of the Month, the Paper Pad Club of the Month. You are able to purchase these products as a one-time purchase or join the club. When you join, you get 18% off and you get your club delivered to you every 30 days from the date you purchased. Let me share this month's Stamp and Die of the Month. If you've been following along, you know that our die manufacturer recently closed their doors, so I'm not able to continue our Stamp and Die of the Month club. So this month will be your last shipment if you are on our Stamp and Die of the Month club, as well as the Stamp of the Month club. I'm actually going to move the Stamp of the Month as an option for our Paper Pad Club starting in April. So next month you'll be able to choose whether you want the coordinating ephemera and a stamp. So the stamp will kind of coordinate with the paper pad that is coming out, so you can opt in for that. And if you're currently on our Paper Pad Club of the Month and you are interested in adding the 4x6 stamp set to your club, please email me and I will get you all set up for that. I will do that manually in the back end so you don't have to do a thing. So this stamp here is called Tales of Friendship. It is such a cute stamp with this cute little puppy and this cute little kitten. There's a little bow that you can add to their fur. We have a teacup with a pretty rose. We have a stack of books. The sentiments, best chapters are shared with a loyal friend. You're doggone sweet. Perfectly sweet moments. The best stories begin with a best friend. So how cute is that? So the die will cut out the sentiments and the images. This is also available without the die. So we have the Stamp Club and the Stamp and Die of the Month Club. So if you do choose to join the club to get the 18% off discount, you will not need to cancel because I will be canceling the Stamp and Die of the Month Club subscriptions after your shipment goes out. So we've got Chocolate Elegance ephemera, we've got Chocolate 6x6 paper pad, and Cozy Neutrals. So check out this paper pad. This paper pad is yummy. So look at that beautiful chocolate, roses and florals. I love that. There's a little like splatter in the background. We've got this really cool pattern. It's like, looks like just somebody took chocolate and like smeared it. And this one, swirls. This is so fun. And look at this. It's like 3D. Yummy. This is a really nice one. I love this braided pattern. This one, kind of like a alligator skin. Some stripes. Beautiful, rich colors. Here's dark chocolate. And I like these cowhide patterns. Ooh, and then yummy, yummy chocolate bar. So that is the chocolate 6x6. Let's take a look at Cozy Neutrals, and then we'll take a look at the ephemera. So I hope you guys can meet me tomorrow for a release day party at 10 a.m. Central Time. I will be going live, and we'll do some crafting. I'm going to share the new pet tapes. I'll probably make a project with this. Since I haven't done that. So we've got some really cute clouds, and I'll definitely be playing with the pet tape as well. So we've got some cozy neutrals here, perfect to go with your chocolate paper. Look at that super cute kitty. some stars, some nice stripes, a subtle little almost watercolor look, some greenery. We've got some images you can cut out. There's 4 sheets of these. So we've got a girl reading a book, some cozy slippers, some milk and cookies, a girl in pajamas. We've got the kitty cat, the dog by the window, some pillows, some coffee or tea, a nice window scene with an owl, and then this one here with your blankets folded up with your pillow and your books on top. So all things cozy. And then another nice print. Okay, so I have everything laid out. I wasn't recording when I was laying everything out. But as you can see, everything is in chocolate. We've got chocolate bears, we've got gym shoes, this really cool drip that you can put as a border. We've got ladies and gentlemen all dressed to the nines. We've got books and a bookshelf. We've got beautiful roses. Just a beautiful spread here. So meet me back tomorrow for release day and a live release day party. We'll have the 5 pet tape designs available. I am doing an I Want It All bundle, and for that bundle, when you purchased all 5, you will get 15% off. So I will have it listed as a separate listing. You'll see it, it says I Want It All. And I'll also have each one listed individually. I will close out the video today sharing some of the cards that I created using the pet tapes. For this card here, I used the Sunshine and Petals. For this card here, I used the Pink Blossom Easter. And for this card here, I used the Lemon Gnomes. And we are doing a Instagram hop on the 1st with all the team members that has created using the new pet tapes. You're not going to want to miss the hop. They did such an amazing job with their projects. I was just blown away. So there'll be a fun little hop. You'll get lots of inspiration. So head on over to the Instagram on the 1st for that. And then we will be doing a YouTube hop on the 5th, sharing video inspiration. So thank you so much, guys, for shopping, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye, guys.